Hello and welcome to the BYU Management Society online training videos. These are a series of videos that we've created to help chapter admins learn how to use the various different tools available to them through the BYUMS website. This particular video deals with new chapter president basics, so anything a chapter president might need to know as they start out. Specifically, we're going to look at today how to adjust membership information, how to adjust the contact settings for your chapter, and additionally how to create membership levels. Now, to start out with, the most important part is learning how to log into the database. So in order to do this, you have to go to byums.org/admin. This isn't the only way to access it, but it is the most direct route, and so it's the one we'll cover in this video. Now, once you go to this page, you can go and you can click on Role Type, select Chapter Admin, which will be the admin level of most everyone. Then you will type in your normal user information. This is the user information you would use to log into byums.org on a normal basis, not just the admin website. So we'll go ahead and type that in. Now, one thing to note is if you don't know whether or not you have been marked as a chapter admin, make sure to contact your chapter president or a chapter associate in order to learn whether you have received admin access. If not, it's a very simple process, and we'll cover that here in just a minute. Alright, so now we have logged into the website. So you will notice various different tabs on the side. We will cover most of these tabs later on in subsequent videos that will be attached to their corresponding slideshows. Today we're just going to focus on the Member tab as well as a setting within the General Settings tab. So click on the Member tab and then go to Member Management. In this page you will see a search bar. This search bar contains various different filters that allow you to just filter and search through your membership list. One in particular that's important is this first setting here, which allows you to set what exactly you're searching through. So if you put last name, then you could type in any last name and search it through your website. Same with first name, username, so on. Now, if you just click on the search button as I just did, that will open up a complete list of all of the members in your chapter. So we are going to go ahead and show a couple of ways that you can edit your members. So let's look at Joe Schmo. We are going to go ahead and change his position information so that he has a position within the chapter, whether it be a president, advisory board member, committee chair, or whatever the case may be. We'll go ahead and show how to do that. So first things first, you put your cursor over the name of the person you want to edit and you click on their name. That opens up their member information page, which has the general, professional, membership, and transactions tabs. General deals with any general information about them, professional deals with all of their professional and job information, and membership deals with all of the things to do with the website itself. We'll focus on this. So on the membership tab, there is a field called member position. If you click inside the field, a drop-down box will appear that shows various different member positions available through the website. We're going to go ahead and give Joe Schmo an advisory board position. Once you've selected the appropriate positions, you can also do multiple positions. So let's go ahead and give him the chapter contact position as well. Just press Save Profile, and then it will be saved, and you can go back to the list and see that Joe Schmo now has an advisory board and chapter contact position. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to assign a membership level to Joe Schmo. In order to do this, first we need to create a membership level, which in this case we've already done. You would go to Member tab and down to Membership Level. The level we've already created for Joe Schmo is Test Level, but just to show you how it would work, you would go and click on Add New, and there you could type in the name of the level and what the price would be, and then you can also select the duration, the duration of the payment, so how often they need to pay. So right now it's set to 1 year. You can set that to up to 5 years between payments. Membership levels are important because they define different levels of commitment to the management society. So a basic member won't have any financial commitment, but they'll still be able to come to all of the events. They'll just need to pay. But if you did a premium member or something to that effect, they could pay in advance for added benefits for events such as discounted prices or whatever the case may be. Now, we are going to go back to member management and we're going to assign a membership level to Joe Schmo. So if we click on Joe Schmo and go back to his membership information page, we'll find another type, another field that we can edit. This is the member type field. If you click in the field here, you'll get a drop-down list that gives you various different membership levels. We're going to click test level for Joe Schmo and we'll click save profile. Now if we go back to the list, Joe Schmo is now a test level member. There's one other thing we said we would demonstrate, and that is how to change the contact settings within your chapter. So the contact settings are the contact information, or represent the contact information that is displayed on your chapter website. I'm just going to show you the main chapter, or the main BYU Management Society contact info page. You click on Contact Us on the main page, and it brings you to this page here. This allows members or non-members of the Management Society to put in their information and to ask any question that they might have or concern. Now the information you can actually change is here on the left. You can change the name, position, phone, and email of your contact for the chapter, as well as any social media sites that might be connected with your chapter. In order to do this, simply click on the General Settings tab and go down to the Contact Settings sub-tab, where you can then change all of that information here. Alright, well that is it for this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to contact Rixa Oman, who is the Executive Director of the Management Society. You can reach her through the contact information page, or you can also reach her by emailing rixa@byu.edu. Additionally, if you would like to talk to the website technician in order to ask questions about how to work the admin page, you can contact him or her at byums_help@byu.edu. Thank you again and have a great day.